Welcome to my week 1 C# certification video. In this video, I will be explaining what I did for the first week of my C# certification. So, for getting my C# certification is something I wanted because I already have a lot of C# skills thanks to Unity game development, where I use the C# language to code games. So I wanted to get this certification to prove my skills in C#. So I spent a lot of this first week actually testing out a lot of the earlier sections because I already know pretty much everything there is to know for all of these. And then I went back through these sections and completed the code project at the end of the sections. So as we can see here in my engineering notebook, I have my C# certification section with all of those code projects that I did for each section here within the engineering notebook. So yeah, that's what I've been doing. I wanted to prove some of my knowledge I had that I used to test out of the sections. So I created this program here, which is a simple little program, but it's got some more complex things going on inside of it. So I'll give it a run real quick, and I have a little thing here. So what this program wants is you can input a number of pets that you have. You can input the pet's name and age. And so I have 3 pets. The first one is Spots, who is 12 years old, Fluffy, who is 7 years old, and Whiskers, who is 4 years old. And what the program will do is it'll take all their names, add them together, and give you the total age. So as we can see, we have Spots and Fluffy and Whiskers, and their total age is 23, which is 12 plus 7 plus 4. So I want to take a look at some of this code that is in this program. As we can see, we start out. These are not important. This is something I was trying to program away with these array lists that did not end up working, so I forgot to take those out of the code just yet. But what happens here is that we have our class program which runs the program, but we also have another class down here called pet, which stores each pet. And then we have each pet has a name and an age. And then this little function right here just basically sets the age and name values whenever you insert a new pet. And then this right here is a operator overload, which basically says, hey, I'm just going to change this plus operator to do all this code instead of the normal plus operator code, because the normal plus operator code doesn't work with custom variables or class variables. That way we can do stuff like this: total pet equals the current pet plus the total pet, which that's how we add each pet to get this line and the total age. So yeah, that is the week 1 of my C# certification. Thank you for watching.